Hello everybody. Today I'm back to this unmarked building, which could be a body shop, could be a restoration shop, could be a mechanic for all I know. But I had so much fun in here last time I filmed, and there's that Alante which I did, and here is that Toyota Land Cruiser that I did. It's still locked. And I'm just wandering around looking to see what's going on, like what's new. And I went back there. There's nothing interesting back here. And there's really not a whole lot of interest for me up front. And there's my car, town car, just chilling. And then I turn around and I got this, bam, right here. Look at this freaking Continental. Oh my God. When I saw this, I don't know. I thought I was hallucinating. Look at this thing. Now that's a star. That's what I'm talking about right here. Now granted, you know, my car has a star too. But that's a star. That's the OS, original star. Look at this. Now, I want to let you know, I don't know too much about them. And the license plate says Mark II. So I can only guess that this is a Continental Lincoln Mark II. And look how beautiful it is. Unbelievable. It is unfortunately locked because the first thing that I wanted to do was to jump inside, but no luck. Can't do that. Wow, did I hit a gold mine or what? Look at this. It's got little side stars. Look at these wheels. Look at these wheels. I can't believe that this car is just sitting here. And it's got a new set of tires. Oh my God. Now it's parked in such a weird angle, so I don't know how to get a good shot from back here. Maybe if I climb this fence and stand up on top of this thing, or maybe now. Here, check this out. Wow. Now when they build gorgeous cars, they've built gorgeous cars. Look at this. Now, I never knew what these little emblems are. I don't even know what these are. What are these things? Are they lions? Are they ducks? I don't know. But just the look of this car, the way it is, that's what the cars should be all about. They should make you feel special. I'm not sure. Are these exhausts? Once again, I don't know enough about these cars, so if you're looking at this and thinking, man, this guy's a dumbass, he thinks this is exhaust, I honestly don't know. But I do appreciate and admire this vehicle for what it is. It's a beauty. All right, let me climb back out of here. Let's see if I can. Alrighty. And the color is great. Look at this interior. From what you can see, I know there's a lot of reflection. I'll try and find a good picture of Continental too, but the interior is flawless. The leather, I don't know if it was redone at some point or not, but wow, that steering wheel, it's like the size of the wheel. These door handles, what is this, for a key? I don't know what this is. Oh, there you go. Yeah, it's for a key. Wow, the button. Oh, wait a minute. I tried the other side, and it was locked on the other side. It's unlocked. It is unfreaking locked. Wow. I think I'm gonna have a heart attack right now. Oh my God. Not smoked in. Wow, you see, I couldn't tell by this little thing here, but it was locked on the other side. All right, guys, I'm going in. My first ever experience inside of a Lincoln Continental, or inside, actually, any older Lincoln. All right, gonna try not to lose my shit right now. First of all, look at this handle. This is what, like the release? Yeah, this is the release. Got ashtrays. So you got that. So that's apparently, so that's an ashtray and a cigarette lighter for people down back. Wow. Switches. I'm guessing these are for the seats. I'm not 100% sure, but because the seat is way too close for me, but I don't care. I'm gonna sit here anyway. How could they leave this car unlocked like this? 76,386 miles. What are all these gauges? Holy crap. Oil, fuel, temperature, amps. Man, this steering wheel, it's on my lap. So big. I wish I knew how to move the seat back just a little bit, and I honestly don't know. Wow. PRND. Right here, you got the column shifter right there. This steering wheel. Wow, look at this. Same kind of emblem. I don't know what it signifies or anything. I haven't seen this type of design on Lincolns, but once again, I'm not a historian, so I don't know. Oh, they put a new Jabra Bluetooth speaker, just like I did. Oh my God, there's got like a ceiling vent, and one over there too. No, this leather, it's unbelievable. Seriously, like what I'm sitting at right now. I mean, man, I thought my car seats are awesome. No, these seats are awesome. I don't know. I don't even know if it adjusts. It may not even adjust. All right. Anyway, control yourself, Vitaly. All right. We got wipers, lights, volume, ignition. So that's where the key goes. Got this town and country. Don't really know what that is. Probably different presets for radios or something. Or maybe these were the country stations and these are the town. Off. I'm guessing these are some sort of preset. Okay, we got the selector here where you can mess it around. All right, look at this. So your climate control, vent off, low, high, blower, temperature, defrost, and air conditioning. This car has air conditioning, of course it does. Now, they couldn't help themselves but to install this little thing here for storage. What a shame. Oh, come on. Who does that? Who does that? Why would they put this in here? Is this car not entertaining enough for you to be messing around with this thing like that? I just deducted 10 points from the owner. Look at these pedals right there. I tell you. I freaking tell you. Look. It's an airline style buckles. And look at this. So you got back then. Wow, wow, wow. Got the little quarter window. Look, they even left the quarter windows open. Yeah, like I didn't do that. That was open before. I didn't even notice it. Why? Why did they leave a car like that here? There's a plaque. Style, body. Well, it doesn't say what year it is. Okay, guys. I need to do these videos way more often. I'm having way too much fun with this. Now the back seat is surprisingly not that big. Look at the hump. Dome light. I don't know if the battery is dead or they disconnect the battery, but I have no idea. It's got to be your turn signals. I love how there's like mechanical, like this is mechanical, and it's metal too, and whatever it's hitting up against is metal. Like this is really, you know. Okay, what about the horn? No, there's. All right, so the battery must be dead. Oh. Wow. Yeah, the back seats are not very roomy, surprisingly, for such a giant car, but you know, it is what it is. I love the piping though. And who knows? I mean, these seats may not be original too. So I once again, I don't know. Oh, there's a screwdriver down there. But still, look. It's got real stitching, none of that fake crap, which they didn't do back then. Just look at all the chrome. Again, I just cannot believe I find these things just sitting here just like that. just want to take a moment and admire this. That's a gangsta look right there, for sure. Now, surprisingly, it's got, you know, it's got this Mark II plate, and then it's got a real license plate in the back. So I don't know, because it's a collector's vehicle or something like that, it's allowed to do that. Because in Illinois, you have to have both plates. Probably power antenna. Wipers are all exposed, and look how tiny they are too. But they even have chrome here. Yeah, so when I tried this car on this side, it's locked, so I was kind of bummed out. I mean, I'm still super excited I found it, but then when I noticed that it was open in the back, it's just something. I know I already showed this, but I just want to capture it one more time. The famous hump. And then even on town cars, at one point they offered a Continental package, which was just nothing more than a few extra badges and stuff, and embroidery on the seats. Let me capture both of these things at the same time. So I don't know what year this is. Obviously, I'm gonna post it up. That's definitely an 07, an 06. Yeah, I even forgot what year my car is. So excited. This is where it was all about. I would love to have this, but can't. I will never forgive myself for even thinking that. Oh, look at this Ford. I wonder what its plan is here. Yeah. What is this? Is this a Taurus? Yeah, it's a Taurus. I'm just gonna do a quick peek, you know, while we're on the Ford crusade here. It's an older Taurus. Oh, I remember the smell of these things. Once again, I don't know why these cars are all unlocked. I mean, I'm super thankful they are. But it's an older Taurus, and it's a wagon too. 84,000 miles, not a lot of miles. Got the same type of shifter as in my town car, just missing the overdrive button. Yeah, there you go. Simplicity at its best. Oh, people got to stop putting these things in there. I swear to God. Oh, it's even got the aftermarket... some sort, I don't know if these were, yeah, I can't imagine these were being standard. I think they were put in after the fact. All right. There you go. We go from one extreme to another extreme. A very 90s smelling, smelling Ford Taurus with a dimmer switch for some reason down there. And then these classic buttons that were in all the Tauruses and the Grand Marquis and whatever else from that era. Oh, look at this. For a little Timmy and Billy to puff. Interesting. Yeah, these wheels. Okay. Oh, that's enough. Let me just show you this thing. Hey, you don't actually see a lot of Taurus wagons. Let me move back a little. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think Taurus wagons here, that's a Taurus GL. I don't think they were ever too popular of a station wagon. Look how close they parked this Continental to this rail. I would crap my pants if that was me. If I had to drive this or back this car out. All right, sorry, nerd alert. Go back to reality. All right, there you go. So, what did I achieve in this video? We got a Ford Taurus, a Continental, and a town car. This day could not have started any better. Thank you, everybody.